Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ManyChats as a beginner, and we will see how we can use ManyChats for different automation techniques and how we can use it for different platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, and all the other social media platforms. And it is going to be a really easy video so anyone can understand it. So make sure to keep a paper and a pen with you so you can just note down all the things that are related to you and watch it till the very end to understand everything. So let's get started with it. So first of all, you need to open up your browser, and after that you need to just search for ManyChats on the Google, and then just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. After that, just open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you need to just click on this option of get started free in order to create your account over here. So let's click on it. And after that, you need to just choose any of the platform that you want to automate for your business or your personal social media handle. And we can also add them later on when we create the account. So for now, just choose any of them. As an example, let's choose Instagram for now. After that, it would ask you to connect it with your Facebook, and it will take certain permissions from you. And after that, you will be able to connect your Facebook with your ManyChats account, and this way it will be able to see all the details related to your Instagram, like how many accounts are associated with your account and how you can connect them, and you will be able to connect all the accounts individually. And in case if you don't want to connect a certain account, then you just simply don't do it and select the account of your choice. So just provide certain details related to you and your account, and you will be able to create account on ManyChat. So let me skip this account creation part so we can just move ahead with our video. And after creating your account, you will be able to see that whatever social media that you have selected, all the templates related to it will appear on your dashboard over here on your home basically. So we just selected Instagram, so all the templates related to Instagram will appear over here. We can just click on this option of all templates and see all the templates which are available for us, and we can use them, and we can also make changes in them as per our requirements. So this one is for quick reactions that we get on our Instagram story, and it will basically reply to all the people the way we will set it. So this is how all these are. You can explore all of them and see which one is useful for you and your business. For now, we will see the other stuff on this platform and also see how we can create and automate our replies from scratch. So let's get back. After that, when you click on this option of contacts, you will be able to contact different people over here. You can add different contacts over here and just bulk email them in one go. And this way you will be able to save your time. And when we click on this option of automation, this is where all the thing starts. And since we selected Instagram, so we are getting some basic automations over here, like the reply to our messages, or how we can start conversation on Instagram to the people or the different accounts. And if someone replies to your story, and if you want to convert that particular person to sales, like you want to sell something, then this automation might be handy for you, as it will indulge all the replies and get them to a page where you will be able to sell your product or services for that matter. So this is how all this automation works. We can either select any of them, or we can click on this option of plus new flow, so we can start a new flow. Flow is basically a chart will be created where we can just guide the automation bot that these are the certain messages. If we receive that, then we will reply that, and if the user or the account replies to our message in a certain manner, then we will be replying in that particular manner. So this way a flow chart will be created, and then you won't be able to reply to same kind of messages again and again, and it will save a lot of time for you. So let's see how we can do it. Let's click on this option of create a flow. Here you can select any template, or you can just click on this option of start from scratch, and you can just rename this flow like reply to messages. After that, just click on this option of rename, and this is how it will appear. So here we need to add a trigger first. So for that, we will just click on this option of trigger, and then just select any of the trigger. Like if someone comments on your Instagram post and you feel like that they might be the potential sales to you, so you can just select this option. Like whenever someone comments on your post, this automation message will be sent to them. And you can also add Instagram keyword, like you provide services related to finance, you can just add finance related terms to your keywords, like how to invest in a stock market. So investment might be the keyword, and stocks or crypto for that matter can be one of the keyword. So you can just add keywords as per your requirements and as per your niche of the business. And after that, whenever someone messages you using that particular keyword, the automation bot will reply as such. So let's add keywords. You can also add message condition, like if someone mentions a particular percentage, you can just select that this condition, like if someone mentions a percentage, then they might be looking for high returns, so this particular keyword will be triggered and we will be able to send messages according to that. After that, you need to just click on create. I'm just keeping it quite low key so I don't overburden you with information. So let's click on create for now. After that, you need to just select the next flow, and here we will see how we can automate our messages. Now if someone messages us using these particular keywords, then we can just type our text over here, like hello, and we can click on this option and mention their first name, like hello, whatever their first name will be, and exclamation. Then we can click on emoji section over here and click on this emoji. And suppose our system is not able to gather the information of first name from our client or potential client, then there must be something to fall back on. So we will just type here there, like the name is not gathered from the system, then it will just simply say hello there. So this way you can just automate it. Then you can type the rest of the message, like to see you here, we are here to help you with all your finance related problems. Obviously this message is going to be different for different people according to their businesses. So after that, we can just simply click on this option of add button in order to add different buttons and call to action. Like if we want that particular person to go to our website so we can just sell our product, so we can just click on this option of open website button over here, and then just type the website URL and just click on this option of done. It is red because we haven't linked our website to this button, that's why it is red, otherwise it would have turned green. So we can just name our button like for high returns, click on done. We can click on this one more button, it is also going to be a website, and here we will type stock market. We can add another button, and here we can type crypto help and select website. Then and this way we can divert all the traffic that is coming onto our Instagram page to our website, where we will be able to sell our services, and we can automate all of it. You can also add this delay, so it will feel more personal rather than a bot typing in. And after adding this delay option, we can add this option of text button. So we can just add some more text and type this option of click help for further assistance, and after that just click on this option of add button. After that, click on this option of perform actions, then click on perform actions again and click on plus action. Then we can just choose any of the options or action from this particular list. Like if we want to see the conversation to be opened up, then we can just click on this option of mark conversation as open and then go back, and here we can just type the name as help, then click on done. And this way, whenever someone clicks on help, the conversation will be opened up and we will be able to see it and handle it all ourselves. After this particular thing, we can add some more automation to it as per our requirements, but this video will get even longer if I keep on explaining those things also. And after specifying all of it, we can just simply click on this option of choose next step. As per our requirements, if we want to perform another action, we can just add another action. And if you want to open up the messages for Instagram, it will open up this way. And if you want to add conditions or other stuff, then you can just go for the pro version in order to get these three more options. And in some cases these are quite useful, so you can just go for the pro version. Otherwise you can just simply click on this option of publish, and since we added an action over here, this action flow is also available, and we can just click on it and change actions if we want to. And after just clicking on publish, it will be published. It is not allowing us because we haven't provided the URLs as of now, and after providing the URLs it will work quite fine. And this is how you can use ManyChats for different platforms or social platforms to automate all your messaging or replying needs. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.